Hello! It is so good to be back sharing another tutorial with you now that I have my GPU fixed. Thank you so much for all of the support that you've given me so far. I'm so glad that you all are finding the tutorial videos helpful and that they're useful for you and that you're getting something out of them. Today, I want to show you a useful technique that I consider a basic tutorial to toggle glasses or other accessories or pieces of hair on and off with Blendshapes. We'll do another advanced tutorial later that shows you how to do this with the Poyomi shaders and animations, but we're going to start with the basics today so that you can have fun things like a ghost if you're dead. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I already have a character exported from VRoid and imported into Unity with the packages that I needed to do this. If you're not sure how to export and import your character properly, then please look in the description for my previous tutorials which show you how to do these steps. I do want to note one thing in particular. When you export your model from VRoid, make sure that you do not combine your hair meshes if you are wanting to toggle parts of your hair on and off. That's incredibly important. You also want to make sure that you leave the materials to default. If you combine them, we won't be able to do this process and it's going to make everything more difficult. So let's not do that. All right, let's dive in. So the first thing that you want to notice is that I have a model here and that she has glasses on. This is Lemon. She's a test model that I've been working on, trying some different styles for texturing. When I am setting up a toggle for an accessory, I prefer to have the accessory turned off and then to toggle it on using the Blendshape. This requires a little bit of an extra step and we're going to start with that. So the first thing that we need to do is find our avatar, which is Lemon over in this list, and then click onto the materials here, and then we need to find the glasses. Now the glasses are named Accessory, so you can see if I pop over to the other side that we have this one which has the glasses here, and there's another one which is for the lens, which you can see here. So to hide these in the beginning, we need to set the alpha on the lit color to be transparent. To turn the color off, we need to adjust the lit color alpha. And the way to do that is by going over here and clicking on the color for lit color alpha. And that's going to pop up this window that shows us the color wheel. And the important thing here is the alpha color, which is dragged all the way to fully transparent. And we are going to drag that off. And you can already see that the glasses frames have disappeared and that down here in the material, this has also disappeared to show you that the material is transparent. Let's go do the same thing for the lens. Click on this. Drag the slider all the way to transparent and the lens is gone. Lemon now has no glasses on. The next step will be to set up the blend shape to go with this. So we click on blend shapes and we find the blend shape that handles all of them. If you're having a hard time seeing it because they all start with blend shape, then you can use this little slider down here. You can see where I'm pointing this, and drag this all the way over and it's going to give you a much more readable list. So let's click on blend shape and then we're going to create a blend shape clip. So click on that and that's going to pop up this new item. I'll shift this over and we're going to name this glasses. So glasses is our new blend shape. Let's select that and select material list. This is probably the first time you've seen this if you're used to dragging your sliders for the blend shapes. So click material list and there's a serialized property, which you will see is empty. Click the plus to add a new one, and that's going to create a drop down. And there's a bunch of items here. Now, all of these correspond to the materials that are set up for your character, like the accessory glasses high frame, and the accessory glasses high lens. So we are going to click on the frame and we are going to click on color. And then we're going to set the target value. And look, it's exactly the same color wheel that you saw when we set the lit color. Now you're going to want to set this to white, otherwise it's going to actually change the color. And you can see that the alpha on this slider is dragged all the way to the left. So we are going to drag it all the way to the right and Lemon's frames appear. Close that and we'll add another one for the lenses. So the lenses, same thing, except select lens from the list. And we're going to make sure our target color is set, which it is. You can see if we drag this, there's just that little bit of transparency that comes in to show the lens on her face. So there we go. And now we're going to export her and load her into VSeeFace. Again, if you don't know how to export your model, then I do show that in another tutorial. I'll have the link below to the exact location to do that. And let's go get her loaded into VSeeFace and test our Blendshape. All right, here we are in VSeeFace. You can see me here behind everything, but I'm gonna swap out in a moment to be a less expressive Lemon. So let's select Lemon from our list right here. And we're going to load her in. Oh, as you can see, I am now Lemon. So let's go up to our expression settings and see if our toggle is here. It is glasses right here, and it's currently set to none. So let's give it a hotkey. I will give it a number pad. Yep. Okay. And if we click it, glasses. And if we click it again, no glasses. That's exactly what we want. So that means that our toggle for glasses and no glasses is working exactly how we want it to. You can use this exact same thing to toggle hair expressions. To do things like if I wanted to put the lemon that is on her hair, turn it on and off, we can do that. If you want to add things like blush or the blue horrified expression as a texture on your face, then we're going to be reviewing that in our next tutorial, so look forward to it. I really hope that you found this video useful and that it helps you do things like turn your glasses on and off or toggle your ears or other fun things that you want to do with your expressions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe because I'll be putting together more tutorials that will be helpful for you in setting up the most fun VTuber experience you can have. Until next time!